Hi friends, welcome to my channel. For more Python tutorial, please subscribe my channel. Today in this video, I am going to tell about how to list all files of a directory in Python. Okay, first of all, open the Python terminal. The syntax of list all files in a directory is, let me show you, os.listdir. This is the syntax, and the path is from where the directory path. This is the directory path, and for listing all the files of a directory we have to import the module os, and then we have to find the directory path. Then only we have to list all the files of a directory. Okay, then I am going to import the module os. Now I am going to find the path of that directory. Okay, os.getcwd. This is the syntax for getting the path of a directory, current directory. Now I am going to print path. Okay, this is our current working directory. Now I am going to print all the files of the directory Python. Okay, os.listdir, in that braces this variable path. In this variable we have the value, the current working path of the current working directory. Okay, we get the result. It is a list. You can see that it is a list, and it contains all the files in this path. Okay, hope you guys get how to list all the files of a directory. If you like my video, please subscribe for more Python tutorial. Thank you.